Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Flutter versus Code Emulator. To begin, ensure you have the Flutter and Dart extensions installed in Visual Studio Code. Next, open the command palette by pressing Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P on Mac and type Flutter. Select Device. If no emulators are running, you will need to create one using the Android Studio AVD Manager. This setup is crucial for a smooth development workflow, allowing you to test your applications efficiently. When it comes to performance, Flutter's hot reload is a game changer, often updating your application in under 1 second, significantly speeding up development cycles. Visual Studio Code offers robust debugging capabilities, allowing you to set breakpoints, inspect variables, and step through your code with ease. For optimal emulator performance, ensure you allocate adequate system resources, typically 2 to 4 gigabytes of RAM, and enable hardware acceleration for a smoother experience. Beyond the standard Android emulators, you might explore alternatives like Genymotion, which can sometimes offer enhanced performance and a broader selection of virtual device configurations. For the most accurate testing, nothing beats a physical device, whether it's an Android phone or an iPhone. Mac OS users also have the excellent option of the iOS simulator, providing a dedicated environment to test their Flutter applications on Apple's ecosystem with great fidelity. To maximize your emulator's efficiency, always close any unnecessary background applications, freeing up valuable system resources. Regularly updating your Android SDK tools and emulator images is crucial, as these updates often include significant performance improvements and bug fixes. Finally, selecting the correct emulator image, matching your target Android version and device specifications, ensures that your testing environment accurately reflects your user's experience, leading to more reliable application development.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.